Good morning students. Today we are going to see exercise number 7.3 part 2. Okay. Already we have completed up to 5 sums. So today we are going to start from question number 6. Okay. The question is, the volume of a container is 1440 meter cube. The length and the breadth of the container is 15 meter and 8 meter respectively. Find its height. Okay va. So volume கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, length breadth கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, நம்ம height find out பண்ணனும். Okay. So first we can write the given values. Length of the container, that is L. Okay. Length of the container is equal to the length of the container is equal to 15 meter. Okay. Then breadth of the container, breadth of the container, breadth means B. Okay. Breadth of the container is equal to 8 meter. Okay. So we want to find the h. Okay. So you can take it as height. Okay. Height. We want to find the height. So you can take it as h. Okay. Let h be the height of the container. Okay. Height of the container. Okay. And one more value is given, that is volume. Okay. So volume of the container is equal to 1440 meter cube. Okay. So we know that it is a container means it's a shape of cuboid. Okay. So what is the volume of cuboid? That is L into B into H is equal to 1440. Okay. So we want to apply the L value and the B value. Okay. So what is L value? L value is 15 and B value is 8 and height we don't know. You can take it as H is equal to 1440. So we want to find the value of H is equal to 1440 divided by 15 into 8. Okay. So we want to cancel the values. We can use the 2 table. 2 table means 4 2s are 8. Here we can use the 2 table. You will get 720. Okay. So again 2 table. 2 2s are 4. So here we can use the 2 table. You will get 360. Then again 2 table. 1 2 is 2. Here you will get 180. Then 5 table we can use. 3 5s are 15. Here 5 table means 3 5s are 15 and remaining 3 30. So 6 5s are 30. So the answer is 36 here. Okay. So 36. Okay. So again 3 table. 1 3 is 3. So here you will get 12. Okay. So therefore height is equal to h. Okay. H is equal to 12 meter. Okay. So what do you want to write? Height of the container is equal to 12 meter. Okay. So your 6th problem over. Then next one, question number 7. Okay. The problem is find the volume of a cube, each of whose side is 5 centimeter, and the second one 3.5 meter, and the third one 21 centimeter. Okay, so we want to find the volume of cube. So first we can write the formula. Okay, volume of cube. Volume of cube is equal to, the formula is a cube. Okay, a cube or side into side into side. Okay, that is, the unit is cubic units. Okay, cubic units. So we want to find the volume of cube for the first subdivision. The first one is, the side of cube is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, side of cube is equal to, that is side of cube is equal to a. Okay, is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, so we want to find the value. So volume of cube, formula a cube. Okay, so a cube is equal to a cube means 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, so 5 into 5 into 5. So 5 5s are 25, and 25 into 5 125. So the answer is 125 centimeter cube. Okay, then second subdivision, 3.5 meter. Okay, so again side of a cube, that is a, is equal to 3.5 meter. Okay, so then volume of cube, a cube is equal to, that is a cube. So that means we want to multiply this 3.5 into 3 times. Okay, so 3.5 into 3.5 into 3.5. Okay, so we want to multiply these 3.5, no, so we can take it 35 into 35. Okay, then we can keep the point. So 35 into 35. So 5 5s are 25, balance 2, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 2 17, then 3 into 35 105. So if you add, you will get 5, 7 plus 5 12, balance 1, then 2, then 1. Okay, so again next one, 125 into 35. So 5 5s are 25, balance 2, then 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 12, balance 1, again 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 11, balance 1, 5 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 6. Okay, then 3 into 1225. So 3 5s are 15, balance 1, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, then again 3 2s are 6, 3 1 is 3. Okay, so what do you get remaining? 5 7 8 12, balance 1, so 4. Okay, so that means we can keep the point. We have a 3 decimal places, 3.5 into 3.5 into 3.5. That means we have 3 decimal places, so we can keep the point from the right hand side. So what do you get? So your answer is 42.875. that is a centimeter, so you can use the centimeter cube. Okay, so the next one, third subdivision, then the question is 21 centimeter. Okay, so side of a cube is equal to 21 centimeter. Okay, then volume of a cube, that is a cube is equal to 21 into 21 into 21. Okay, so 21 into 21 441, So next one 441 into again 21. So 441, then 2 into 441 is equal to 882. So if you add, you will get 1, 6, 12, balance 1. So 9261. So the answer is 9261. It is a centimeter. So you can use centimeter cube. Okay. That's all. So your 7th problem over. Okay. Then next one, question number 8. Okay. The question is, the cubical milk tank can hold 125,000, 1,25,000 liters of milk. Find the length of its side in meters. So volume is given. From that we are going to find the length, but the volume is given in the liters. Okay va? So liters da நம்ம first என்ன convert பண்ணிக்கணும், meter ஆ convert பண்ணிக்கணும். Okay va? சரி. First we can write the volume. Okay. Volume of the cubical tank is equal to 125,000 liters. Okay. So we want to convert the liters into meter cube. That means 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. Okay va? So meter cube la irundhu liter ah maatana 1000 ஆல் multiply பண்ணனும். But இங்க நம்ம liter la irundhu என்னவா convert பண்ண போறோம், meter ஆ convert பண்ண போறோம். So you can take it as 1 liter is equal to 1/1000 meter cube. Okay. So that means this value is equal to 125,000 by 1000. Okay. So for 3 zeros cancel. Okay. So what do you get remaining? That is equal to 125 meter cube. Okay. So this is the volume. So we want to find the side. Okay. So volume of cubical tank தான சொல்லிருக்காங்க. So volume of cubical tank is equal to 125 meter cube. Okay. So volume formula is for cube A cube. A cube is equal to 125. So we want to find the value of A. That means we want to take a cubical root. Okay. So 125. So it can be splitted as cubical root of 5 into 5 into 5. Okay. So that means for cubical root means for each 3 equal terms we can take a one term outside. Square root na 2 terms ஒரு term வெளிய எடுப்போம். இங்க வந்து cubical rootங்கிறதுனால 3 terms ஒரு term வெளிய எடுப்போம். So அப்ப A is equal to 5 meter. That means side of cube is equal to 5 meter. Okay. Then the last problem, question number 9. Okay. A metallic cube with the side 15 centimeter is melted and formed into a cuboid. If the length and the length and the height of the cuboid is 25 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively, then find the breadth of the cuboid. Okay va? So இங்க என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்க, ஒரு cube metallic cube melt பண்ணி ஒரு cuboid convert பண்ணிட்டாங்க. So அப்ப அந்த cube தான் வந்து என்னவா convert ஆயிருக்கு, cuboid convert ஆயிருக்கு. அப்ப அதுல அதோட weightல எந்த changes இருக்காது. So volume must be equal. So what we want to write? side of a cube, side of a cube, that is A, okay, is equal to 15 centimeter. Then length of a cuboid, the length of a cuboid, that is L, is equal to 25 centimeter. Okay, then height, okay, height of a cuboid is equal to H, okay, that is equal to 9 centimeter. Then already I told you the value must be equal. So what we want to write? The condition is volume of cuboid is equal to volume of cube. Okay va? So ஒரு cube தான் மெல்ட் பண்ணி cuboid-ஆ மாத்திருக்காங்க. So அப்ப அங்க என்ன ஆகாது? அதோட weight வந்து change ஆகாது. ஓகேவா? So volume of cuboid is equal to volume of cube. Okay. So that means what is the formula for volume of cuboid? That is L into B into H is equal to volume of cube is equal to A cube. So volume what the L is equal to 25. 25 into breadth we don't know, so we can take it as B, and height is equal to 9, that is equal to A cube. A value is 15, so cube means we can take 3 times, 15 into 15 into 15. Okay, so B is equal to 15 into 15 into 15 divided by the multiplication terms divided log. Okay, so 25 into 9. Okay, so now we want to cancel the numbers. So we can use the 5 table. Okay, 3 5s are 15. Here 5 5s are 25. Then again 5 table. 1 5 is 5. Here 3 5s are 15. Then 9. 3 3s are 9. So here we have a 1 3 is 3. Okay. Then again 1 3 is 3. Here 1 3 is 3. So what is remaining? In the numerator only we have a 15. So that means B is equal to 15. Therefore, breadth of the cuboid is equal to 15 centimeter. Okay. So your 7th chapter over. Okay va? Exercise 7.3 over, as well as the chapter 7 is over. Okay. Thank you children.